Good afternoon and thank you for joining us. I'm Cara Bailey. We have new details for you right now in the investigation into the death of 7-year-old Nielle Pyers as her father, Nelson Pyers, appeared in court this morning. Pyers was arrested Wednesday on multiple charges of child endangerment and driving without a license. ABC 6 News reporter Josh Kerman was in the courtroom. He's sharing the very latest live in the newsroom right now. Josh?
Cara, Nelson Pyers was arraigned in Providence District Court Thursday morning on 2 counts of child endangerment and new facts detailing what led to Nielle's death and the role her father played in her passing. During Thursday's arraignment, officers reading the facts of the case explaining this conflict started well before any bullets were fired.
The defendant, Nelson Pyers, on August 29th of 2024, in the early evening hours, encountered another individual, Shaheem Nathaniel, at a 7-Eleven store in the city of Providence, that there was some verbal exchange that occurred in that store while Mr. Pyers was accompanied by his 2 young children.
Pyers was arrested Wednesday afternoon by Providence police. Chief Oscar Perez saying Pyers' actions went beyond poor judgment, and officers at Thursday's arraignment claiming he actively put his children in harm's way.
The allegation is that Mr. Pyers followed that vehicle in his own vehicle and on at least 2 occasions actually bumped into the bumper of the vehicle where Mr. Nathaniel was a passenger. When they arrived at Florence Street, the Nathaniel vehicle pulled over to park in front of a home where he was and the other occupants were heading to a party. At that point in time, this defendant drove his vehicle at the 2 of the passengers in that vehicle.
Officers saying Pyers attempted to drive up on the grass towards Shaheem Nathaniel and Amani Cabrera, the 2 men currently facing murder charges in Nielle's death.
He then began to back up, and as he backed up, the 2 individuals, Mr. Nathaniel and Mr. Cabrera, opened fire, and one of those shots unfortunately struck the defendant's young daughter and eventually led to her death. And also in the car at that time, Judge, the grounds for the second count was the defendant's even younger son.
Since those are felony charges, no plea can be entered in district court, and Pyers is being held on $50,000 as surety due to his extensive criminal history. Pyers is expected to be arraigned in Superior Court later today and will return to court for his probation violation on September 26th. His next hearing on this child endangerment charge will be on January 2nd. In the newsroom, Josh Kerman, ABC 6 News.